Hi guys, and welcome back to part 4. I'm going to show you how far we've got now. I don't think these partitions were in on the last video. Shower compartment, it's all coming together now. We've got the shower tray bonded down. This will be bonded down overnight. It'll be all sealed down proper. We'll do a proper seal tomorrow. We've got the tap to go in yet, and there's another cupboard to go up the top there yet, and then the rest of it will be sealed off. I want the light going in and the roof fencing as well. Coming to the back here, I know I showed you an arrangement of how we was going to put things in, but it didn't work out. Once I started running wires in and plumbing and things, it didn't work. So we've got this set up now. We've got the battery here, which is actually going to be placed at the side there. I know they were the other way around before, but it didn't work. We couldn't get everything to fit in properly. So that's how things are going to look. The plumbing in there for the fresh tank, and the cold and hot water pipes there as well. Pump at the back. The combi heater, and the battery, like I said, is going to go there instead of the other side. Lockers wise, that's the solar panel, the controller. We've got some divisions in there as well, which the customer has asked for. Bit of finishing off up the top there, and again got some more divisions in. We've got the windows in as well. And once they're in, you notice this leather pulls tight, so it creates a really nice effect. And some windows are in as well. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at, like I said, getting that cabinet at the top, getting that in, sealing off. I think the fridge is ready now because we've got the water pipes coming up, and behind there we've got some boxing in to do there as well. But that's tomorrow's work, I think. So for now, that's what we're up to, and I'll take another video once we've got a bit further. Okay, I think we've got under the bed finished now on this side anyway. Battery box is there, everything's fused up. Plumbing's been finished off, all the boxing in's done down there for the wiring to separate that from the plumbing and things, so everything's protected. We've got everything, drop out vents and drain offs and things like that. So under that side, I think now is done, bar for testing later on. On this side, I don't know if I showed you on the last one, we've got the kitchen locker on this one. I've got the light underneath on that one. Into the shower, everything on this side of it now is sealed, so that's all finished off on that front. We've got the locker to go in now, and toilet and the tap. We're putting shower curtain rails in and things like that, and obviously the door. Not got the doors yet. As soon as they come, we'll pop them on. And the fridge. This fridge is all done and wired up. Again, it's not boxed in completely yet because we've not tested yet, and we're waiting for a TV aerial in there, and then that can be finished off. It's just waiting to come from the suppliers. Next thing for us now is obviously we'll crack on with the shower. We'll get that finished off. We'll probably get that finished today. We've got the door and everything else to box in down there as well yet, but that should be done today. And we're on with the kitchen unit, which is going to go in this space here. The actual framework is actually made. We're going to pop that in, but there's quite a lot of work to go in that yet with the gas and the plumbing and things like that. A bit of electrics as well. A bit more shaping in for a worktop and things on that front yet, but that's what we're up to now. The next video, like I say, I'll show you the shower finished off and the kitchen unit as well. We'll probably get some striping or transfers, whatever you want to call it, on the outside. Probably get it cleaned up. It'll be close to doing a final tour video after that one, I think. But once again, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.